Why we're here today is because we want to celebrate the return of one of Vancouver's most beloved artworks. The Salmon Run Bell Tower reminds us that art belongs not only in museums, but in the everyday spaces where people gather to foster connections and to create memories.
The Chinook people believe the salmon to be one of the tribes.
When the diorama was proposed in 2002, the Chinook Indian Nation was consulted on both the story and the imagery. Together, the panels tell the story by honoring life and maintaining balance with nature.
The propster's gift created a landmark that has become instantly recognizable to generations of Vancouver residents. But after 23 years of weather, continual use in aging parts, the tower needed significant restoration. And today's celebration is about preservation, but it's also about the future. We're ensuring that future generations can experience this landmark just as previous generations have.
May the spirit of the river be the strength of the people.